Weinig is the world leader in solid wood machining. Presented at IWF 2018 in Atlanta, the LuxScan scanner and Opticut 450 Quantum, the fastest optimizing crosscut saw in the world, automatically feed, scan, chop, and sort at 550 meters per minute and 0.068 seconds per cut. Holz-Her's patented edge banders including Industry 4.0 Lumina series, Edge Control Touch, 19-inch touchscreen control with custom user management, complete acquisition of operating data including running meters, running time, and total parts processed. Control the setup and changes with 100% accuracy at the screen. Also, a complete library of functional layer edging is standard in all Lumina edge banding machines. Holz-Her's unique and patented glue-jet system and electronic NIR modules allow you to easily change from EVA glue to PUR glue or functional layer tape in seconds. With a heat-up time of only 3 minutes, the glue-jet system ensures quick startup and minimal downtime for glue changes and cleaning. The electronic unit used for heating functional layer tape is instant on, meaning no heat-up time, there's no compressed air required, there's no noise, and no cool down time for cleaning. Holz-Her StoreMaster panel storage and retrieval systems mesh seamlessly with Tektra or Xentrex beam saws, as well as the newly designed Dynestic routers. Available in multiple bed sizes, these gantry-style routers are available in classic, standalone, push, or loading and offloading versions. Optional label printing is available. Holz-Her can be your partner for all your panel processing needs. For information, call Weinig Holz-Her Canada 450-973-2397.